Hi children, I am Mary Miss. Good morning to everyone. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is safe at home. Okay children, today we will be learning first lesson in English. First, the story title is Earth, the Desolated Home. What is Earth? The Earth is a planet which we live in. What is desolated? Desolated means a place which appears empty, waste or ruin or loneliness. Now this is what the topic. Now we will go to the lesson. Earth, the desolated home. Okay children, now I will brief the story in short for easy understanding. Now let's get into the lesson. There was a girl named called Arivamadi. She has a grandfather. So children, now imagine we are in the earth 2068 and the earth is destroyed. So now since the earth is destroyed, Arivamadi and her family travel from earth to Mars. What is a Mars? Mars is a planet. Mars is a planet. Mars, India had established 3 colonies. Arivamadi family lived in one of the colony. On Arivamadi's birthday, her grandfather travelled more than 1,500 kilometers to meet her. When he reached, he saw her sleeping in her capsule. Capsule means a small cylinder-shaped bed. Capsule means a small cylinder-shaped bed. Grandma said to her, "Wake up, Arivamadi." Arivamadi was surprised to see Grandpa on her birthday. She said, "Grandpa, when did you come? I was thinking that you won't be coming for my birthday because here dust and storms. Sometimes it's lost for a month, but this time no storms. So I came on time to meet you. But it still took me 3 souls to reach here." Grandpa explained, 1 soul means 24 hours 37 minutes. 3 soul means 72 hours 111 minutes. So both of them decided not to waste time now. We will go to harvest the vegetation cap, fruits and vegetables. Vegetation. The habit to live there grow carrot and vegetables in the cap. But the vegetables do not taste like the ones on the earth. Cap means human settlement. So Arivamadi asked Grandpa, how did they grow the crops and vegetables on the earth? The grandfather was sad. He said, the earth had fertile soil, so the fruits and vegetables grown were healthy and tasty. Again Arivamadi asked another question to grandfather, how humans use chemical fertilizer and polluted the soil. Here we get unpolluted food and water. Is that correct, Grandpa? Grandfather laughed and said, these fruits and vegetables and water are not the same as in the earth. They are not real. In Mars, we get water and burning fuels. Fuels means power plants or reactors, an energy source for engines. On the earth, we used to get water from rain. It was natural and it was free. So Grandpa said, in Mars, survival is very difficult. Adapting to Mars is difficult. Today we are fighting for things which we get easily. In Earth, we don't need a space suit or oxygen or cylinder. But in Mars, we need a space suit, oxygen cylinder. To travel Earth to Mars, we need a space shuttle. Space shuttle means a spacecraft designed to be used for traveling to space station. Space shuttle means a spacecraft designed to be used for traveling to space station. In Mars, 687 days to make a year. In Earth, 365 days to make a year. Ariyumadi looked like a small girl, like 10-year-old. But according to Earth, she will be 18 years old now. We destroy our home, the home that nature has offered us. Now we are trying to make this planet is our home. Since the earth was destroyed, be happy. Ariyumadi said, don't worry, Grandpa. Scientists are trying to terraform the Mars. Terraform means the surface and climate, a process by which the surface and climate would be changed to make the environment suitable to humans. Since the earth is destroyed, Grandfather decided to settle in Mars along with Ariyumadi. Okay, children, now you all understand. Now understand the story. Now I am going to say about the difference between the earth and Mars. The difference between earth and Mars. Okay. So, the difference between earth and Mars. Earth life is easy. Mars life is not easy. Earth is a fertile soil. In Mars, no fertile soil. In Earth, fruits and vegetables are tasty and we are healthy. In Mars, no fresh vegetables and fruits. Human polluted soil. Due to that, water and air is polluted. In Mars, water from burning fuels. Earth has nature rain. Easy transportation. Mars, we have space shuttle. Earth, we have free oxygen. In Mars, we need space suits, oxygen cylinder. Earth, 365 days a year. In Mars, 687 days a year. Slowly the earth is destroying. Think it over. How will you change it? Once the earth is destroyed, we may have to go to another planet. There everything is difficult. Okay, children, I hope you all understand the lesson. Now we'll read the lesson. You can see the picture here. It was the year 2068. Humans had destroyed the earth and started colonizing the red planet Mars. India established 3 colonies. Ariyumadi's family lived in one such colony. On her birthday, her grandfather traveled more than 1,500 kilometers to meet her. When he reached, he saw her sleeping in her capsule. Capsule means a small cylinder-shaped bed. He said, wake up, Ariyumadi. Ariyumadi was surprised. Grandpa, when did you come? I was thinking that you won't be coming for my birthday. He sighed. Don't you know about the dust storm of Mars? Sometimes it even lasts for a month. But this time it did not. So I am on time. It still took me 3 souls to reach here. Now come on. Let's not waste time. We will go to harvest the vegetation hub for vegetables. This is the capsule bed. In the cap, he said him, these carrots are not tasty anymore like the ones I ate in my childhood. She asked, why do you say so, Grandpa? Grandfather explained, the vegetables we grow here do not taste like the ones on the earth. I really wish you had tasted the carrots from the earth. Arivu asked eagerly, how did they grow the crops and vegetables on the earth? Now, the grandfather was sad, like he is missing the earth. He said, the earth had fertile soil, so the fruits and vegetables grown were healthy and tasty. She asked, but I learned that humans used chemical fertilizers and polluted the soil. Here, we get unpolluted food and water. Is that correct? Grandfather laughed. Already I told you these fruits, vegetables and water are not the same as in the earth. They are not real. Arivu exclaimed. even the water? He said, of course. In Mars, we get water from burning fuels. On the earth, we used to get water from rain. It was natural and it was free, she said. Grandpa, enough your stories about the earth. I know that life there was easy, but here survival is very difficult. He replied, yes, my dear, adapting to Mars is difficult. Today, we are fighting for things which we got easily. He continued, in the earth, you did not need a spacesuit or an oxygen cylinder. Also, the years are longer here. Arivu said, yes, Grandpa. In Mars, 687 days make a year. He smiled. Aha, yes, you would be 18 years old on the earth now. Grandpa thought to himself, we destroy our home, the home that nature had offered us. Now we are trying to make this our home. Arivu looked at him and said, don't worry, Grandpa. The scientists are trying to terraform. The scientist means an expert in science. Are trying to terraform. Terraform means a process by which the surface and climate would be changed to make the environment suitable to humans. The Mars. He said, true, but nothing can be the earth. The earth is our home. Let us leave this for now. Today we celebrate our birthday. What actions destroy